Strategic planning can feel like a guessing game without the right framework. In this video, we'll show you how to master the PESTLE analysis to understand your entire business environment. Let's start with the basics. What is a PESTLE analysis? It is a strategic framework used to evaluate the external factors that can impact an organization's performance and long-term decision-making. By examining these external influences, you can spot market shifts early. It provides a big picture view of the macro-environmental factors that your company operates within every single day. The 6 factors of PESTLE cover everything from government stability and interest rates to cultural trends, technological innovation, industry regulations, and even your specific environmental or climate impact. You might be wondering, why use a PESTLE analysis? It helps you stay proactive rather than reactive, ensuring your strategy accounts for risks and growth opportunities in the broader market. Let's look at PESTLE versus SWOT, how they work together. While PESTLE focuses on the external environment, SWOT looks at internal strengths. Using both ensures your strategy is truly comprehensive. Ready to dive in? Let's discuss how to conduct a PESTLE analysis and best practices to ensure your data is actionable and relevant for your team. First, collaborate. Get input from different departments to avoid blind spots. Second, use data-backed research. Finally, treat this as a living document that changes as the market evolves. Now for the practical part. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. How to create a visual PESTLE analysis using the powerful features available in Lucid. Open a new Lucid document and search the template gallery for PESTLE. Select a template to give your team a structured starting point on the canvas immediately. Use the primary toolbar to add sticky notes for each factor. Invite coworkers to join the board so you can brainstorm external influences together in real time. Organize your findings using frames or containers. You can even use lines to link specific PESTLE factors to your SWOT analysis to show direct impact and correlation. Now you're ready to anticipate market changes and build a resilient strategy. Log into Lucid today and start your own PESTLE analysis.